Yes. Karan Malhotra has joined us now. Then some more people will come. Yeah. Karan Malhotra. Hello, Karan, how are you? Karan, how are you?
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible. How are you? You are from Delhi, na?
I'm fine, sir.
You are from Delhi?
Yes, sir. I'm from New Delhi.
Oh, acha, your brother was only in our Canada.
Yes, sir. Vancouver.
Vancouver. Acha, acha, acha. ठीक है.
Yes.
Good. Now, can you tell me how was your interview? And
It's
what
very nice, sir.
it was very easy. Acha. At what time the interview started?
1:30, sir.
How many people were asked for today afternoon interview, and how many attended roughly? Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Now I'm not getting it. Now only. How many people attended interview today? Karan?
Yes, sir. Do you hear me now, sir?
No. You did not answer me. How many people attended interview today in afternoon?
I don't know, sir. They had a slip, sir, and they had names on it. But when I came, so there was no one there.
No. When you went inside, how many people were sitting waiting for the interview? No, not. It was
No, so only me, sir.
only me.
Or, sir, before me, many people had come.
Acha. And how many people interviewed you? 2 or 3 people?
Two, and they were, I think, were very high position people by
Acha.
judging them, I think.
Acha. So how did the interview start?
So they started by checking the documents first, the Aadhaar card and the admit card,
Mm,
and then they interviewed me in a big conference room.
mm.
So the first question they asked me is
It,
how to
it, it
introduce
was
yourself.
it was 1-to-1 and not through internet, correct?
No, sir, one to one.
It was 1-to-1 only. Acha. Good.
And so the first question they asked me to introduce myself,
Okay.
and sir, which I did, and then they asked me about what do you know about this program, FIP program.
Mm. What did you tell about?
And
What is the answer you gave for this?
I said that it is a partnership of Federal Bank with the Manipal University Bangalore, which allows us an opportunity for both learn and earn at the same time.
Mm.
And this is considering the job role. I think this is both marketing and sales job.
Mm.
So
Acha,
they asked me.
you told very clearly it is both
Yes, I told them clearly.
marketing and
Sales.
sales job. Acha. You never told about marketing, sales and banking job.
No, sir. I only said marketing and sales.
Excellent. Badhiya. Then?
So then they asked, so are you interested in marketing and sales? I said yes. And so they asked me then, do you know how to drive? And because they wanted to also, they also said that I'm also have to go to outside of city to do some work. So they asked me if I could drive or not.
Acha. You mean two-wheeler driving or
So
four-wheeler?
any, sir, any 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, any.
Oh, two or four-wheeler, anything.
Yes.
What did you say?
And I said that I don't know how to drive a 4-wheeler, but I have a scooty, so I know how to drive a 2-wheeler.
Oh, you said I know only two-wheeler driving. That is scooty.
Yes, sir.
Scooty. Okay.
Yes.
What was their reaction? Was it
They
favorable?
said okay.
Okay.
They agreed, sir.
Okay. Then?
And so then they told me that why do you want to join this federal bank, and why are you not pursuing any higher education?
Why do you want to join Federal Bank and not
Yeah.
go for higher ed? What is your degree?
The BA Honors Economics.
BA Economics. Yeah. So they said, why should you not go for MA and all that? Correct. Is it?
Yes.
What was your
Sir.
answer?
Yes, sir.
What was your answer?
I said that I wasn't from college days only. I was interested in finding a job after my graduation. So that was the main reason.
Or did you say there is need for my family also to support me like that? Any extra points? No.
No, sir.
There was no need. Acha. Very good. Did they ask about your family?
Yes. They
What did
asked
they
about my father, my brother, and my elder sister.
Oh, what are they doing? They asked.
Yes, everything they asked. And where do I live as well?
Acha. Where are you living
Yes.
in Delhi?
The Rajouri Garden.
Rajouri Garden is a very posh locality, na?
Yes, sir. Very,
Acha.
sir.
Acha. Do you own a house? Your parents own a house there?
Obviously, sir.
Oh, very good. So Rajouri Garden, I remember I was working in House Khas.
Yes, it is also Port area, sir. House Khas is also Port area.
Is it somewhat nearer to House Khas or far away?
No, sir. Sir, House Khas is in South Delhi and Rajouri Garden is West Delhi.
Rajouri Garden का पास में और bigger place बताइए.
Punjabi Bagh, sir.
Punjabi Bagh.
Punjabi Bagh,
Pitampura. Then?
So these are only the main, sir. Yes. Rohini, you can say.
That Bangla Sahib market?
No, sir. That is Central Delhi.
That is
Bangla Sahib in Central Delhi.
Central Delhi. Acha, I forgot.
Yes.
Achha. Now you are in Rajouri Garden and they asked about your family. Then they asked why you want to join us and you answered them satisfactorily. Were they very friendly or they were
Yes,
rude?
sir, very friendly. They asked some general question as well.
General questions. What are the questions they asked?
So first they asked, what do you mean by retail banking?
What do you mean by retail banking? Okay.
And also they asked, what do you mean by mortgage?
What do you mean by mortgage? Okay.
Yes, sir, that's it. And the difference between mortgage and loan.
Difference between mortgage and loan.
Yes, sir.
अरे भाई ये क्या है? ठीक है.
Very easy, sir. It is economics honors, sir. I don't know everything. You
didn't know everything?
Sir, I am saying that I am a economics student. This is very easy for me, sir.
Achha. That was easy.
Very simple. Very simple, sir.
But did they not ask questions relating to economy?
No, sir. They asked me about what do you know about Federal Bank?
Oh, what do you know about Federal Bank? Okay.
Yes.
Then
and also, sir, when they were satisfied with all my answers, so there was a very big conference room where my interview was happening. So they asked me, and there was a very big LCD TV also there, very big, sir, LED TV. And they asked me to stand up and sell the TV to them.
Stand up before the say the camera and speak. They wanted you to. They wanted to see you
to sell the TV.
They wanted to see you through standing posture also. Yes.
So they were looking at my dressing style also.
Did they ask you to walk and all that? No.
No, sir. No.
Achha. Then next question.
No, sir. That's enough, sir. And when they told me to stand up and sell the TV, they said me that to sell in Hindi language.
They wanted you to sell in Hindi language. What did they want you to sell?
The TV, LCD TV in the conference room.
Sell LCD TV. Oh,
yes,
Baba.
Sir.
In Hindi language.
Yes.
आपने कैसे बताया बोलिए अभी मान लीजिए आई एम योर इंटरव्यूअर आप बिक्री कर रहे हैं बताइए.
तो मैंने बोला था सर कि 55 इंच टीवी है और ये मार्केट में अभी आया है और जैसे अभी आया तो हम इसमें डिस्काउंट ऑफर दे रहे हैं कि अभी खरीदोगे तो आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. और मैंने सर फीचर्स वगैरह बता दी कि कम्प्लीटली एंड्रॉयड टीवी है जिसमें आपको यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, नेटफ्लिक्स, अमेजन सब कुछ फ्री में मिलेगा. ये सारी चीजें बताई, और भी सब बहुत चीजें थी, अभी इतना ध्यान में नहीं आ रहा।
अच्छा अच्छा
हाँ जी, so after 1 minute they stopped and asked me to sit again.
अच्छा अच्छा. So after 1 minute they asked you to stop and then they said okay you can go, that's all, correct?
Yes, yes.
In the end, while entering the room were you happy, while coming out also were you happy?
Yes, 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 sir.
You were happy, good.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
I remember your but when I took interview for you, I think I was laying emphasis more on banking and all, correct?
No, sir, not really.
No, because by that time we could know that it is going to be more of sales only, correct?
Yes, yes, sir, yes.
Oh, so you were lucky that you could be guided in the proper direction. Good.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I'm sure mostly you'll be selected.
Yes, sir, I am also sure, sir.
Mostly you'll be selected. And what did
Yes,
they
sir.
what did they tell you about federal internship program? It is a 17 days course in Mangalore.
No, sir, they didn't tell anything. Sir, they
Uh,
hope that I already know already beforehand.
that has been given in the advertisement itself.
Yes, sir, yes.
एडवर्टाइजमेंट में क्या क्या दिया है, बिकॉज मेनी पीपल आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड इसका बारे में
ये
जो आप
यही है
जानते हैं
सर,
इसका
17 डे, वो 17 डे ट्रेनिंग इन मणिपाल,
अच्छा
स्टे ट्रेनिंग।
ओके. उसका बाद में
और
उसका बाद में
बाकी वर्चुअल।
और बाकी वर्चुअल ट्रेनिंग. अच्छा, आप
हाँ जी,
घर को आना है, घर से ट्रेनिंग करना है. और
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, और
और
ऑफिस में तो जाना ही है।
और ऑफिस में जो ब्रांच में डालता है उधर में. आई
हाँ,
थिंक मोस्टली यू विल बी गिवन दिस virtual training in your own native place only, correct?
यस सर, यस, यस,
Wherever you are, from there only you may be asked to do. That's what I believe. Not sure
यस,
about.
यस,
Yeah.
यस सर, यस।
So
So
they
from
had
home state only, home state
home
only।
state only because
Yes, sir.
you have to canvas, and for that local language is also required.
Yes, yes, sir.
So very happy you could do it well.
Yes, sir.
So thank you so much. And for the sake of Monica, Subramanian, Lucky, and Samba Shiva, can you repeat one by one the questions asked? Sorry to
Okay,
ask you to
no
repeat.
problem, sir, no problem, no
Please
problem,
tell.
sir.
Please tell.
So, okay, so the first question when I entered, they asked was, Karan, introduce yourself.
Yeah.
And secondly, they asked me about that why do you want to join this program?
Okay.
And they asked me that after seeing my resume, that why do you want to pursue this program and not pursue higher education like MA?
Okay.
And also they asked about my family, and also basic general questions, general knowledge questions.
And you told me, are you interested in marketing? Do you know driving two-wheeler, four-wheeler?
Yes, 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 this also.
Yeah, and then what is retail banking? What is
What
mortgage?
is retail banking? What is mortgage? Difference between mortgage and loan.
And what do you know about Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. What do you mean by Federal Bank?
And after all that, they wanted you to sell an LCD TV.
Yes, yes, sir. Absolutely right.
Sell it in Hindi language.
Hindi language, sir. Native language.
Very good. You have done very well. Please wait.
Yes, sir.
Let us wait. Any questions they have? Monica, Sambasiva, Lucky, Subramaniam. Do you get any doubts after listening to our friend Karan Malhotra from Delhi? He is a BA Economics, and they have asked him these questions only. Are you having any doubts, Subramania? GRS? Are you having any doubts, Lucky? Are you having any, Monica?
Okay, what did you reply for why you want to join this program?
Acha, Karan, why you want to join FIP?
Yes, sir. I have replied, sir, as I'm an economics graduate student, and banking is all about economy. So I think there is not any better competition than this. Also, my background and knowledge regarding banking would help me judge the topics related to banking well and act accordingly. And also, sir, I also said a few qualities of mine. For example, that I'm a very quick learner, and other things that you told, sir.
Quick learner.
Quick learner. I'm a competitive person and love to take more responsibilities.
Good. Very good. Good. You can add some more points. You can add some more points. Like
thinking out of the box, sir. I said many things, sir.
Yeah, out of the box. Then creative. Then good in time management. Good in leadership. Good in team working. Then hard working and perseverance.
Yes, sir. Yes.
One who will not give up immediately. Okay, you told this. Now, Monica, next question.
That's it, sir. Rest was personal only, right? So it will differ from person to person.
Yeah, it will differ from. No, but they asked whether you know driving. What is your answer to this, Monica? You know driving two-wheeler or four-wheeler?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. Acha.
Actually, they expect that you must know either four-wheeler or two-wheeler.
You must be
then able I think they must have given that in the form. I think if it was like that compulsory, then I think they would have mentioned that in the application form itself. Like
yeah,
in
the advertisement, I think they have not given.
Yes, sir, but they asked me this question, sir, twice, not once, twice they asked this question.
Oh, Achha, your answer was I know scooty driving. I don't know four-wheeler driving. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But Delhi, a place like Delhi during summer and all, driving two-wheeler is okay. But winter.
Yes, sir, very traffic, sir. And also, sir, I think metro is also, sir, convenient nowadays.
So you will go by metro and from there take auto.
Yes. So actually, sir, the office where it was in West Patel Nagar, it is very near to metro, walking distance only.
Oh, good. Acha, West Patel.
2 minutes walking distance.
Oh, West Patel Nagar, matlab it is near Prasad Nagar and all that, na? Thoda pass mein.
Thoda sa pass, sir.
Yeah. Very good.
And sir, 15 to 20 minutes from my home by car.
Oh, good. Very good. Very happy. Now, Sambasiva, do you have any questions or doubt to him?
No, sir. How many minutes you total interview connected?
About 15 to 20 minutes only.
Okay.
Achha. So during, were there any questions you could not answer?
No, sir, not a single one. So they were trying to ask difficult questions, but sir, I was answering perfectly.
Good. Very happy. Good.
When they ask to sell LCD, like you ask them questions or you directly like started talking about the LCD TV or like how did you?
No. I didn't ask any questions. I just explaining the LCD TV or telling the features of the TV.
Because
he was explaining.
He was selling in Hindi only, correct?
Yes, sir. They asked me to sell in Hindi only. I started in English, but they said you can talk in your mother tongue.
अच्छा एक बार हम लोग का बिक्री करके देखा है ना क्या किया आपने कितना मिनट बात किया 1 मिनट बात किया
Yes sir, only 1 minute they stopped me and said to sit again.
अच्छा please stop.
Hello Karan, this is Lucky.
Yeah.
I would like to ask a question.
Yeah, sure.
अभी आप जो LCD भेजे ना
हाँ जी
आपको तो सवाल उठाया गया LCD भेजने के लिए
हाँ जी
आप क्या क्या पॉइंट बताए उसके लिए
अच्छा मैं बताता हूँ फिर से आपको मैंने बोला सबसे पहले
हिंदी ओनली
हिंदी तो मैंने सबसे पहले बोला कि ये टीवी था एक्चुअली वो बहुत बड़ा टीवी था तो मैंने बोला कि हमारी कंपनी का मैंने कोई भी नाम ले लिया पहले कि कंपनी ये XYZ कंपनी है तो इन्होंने नया ये प्रोडक्ट निकाला है और ये टीवी 55 इंच टीवी है विद फ्लूइड एमोलेड डिस्प्ले तो जो भी मेरे घर में टीवी था मैं वही उसकी क्वालिटीज बताता गया उनको
आपका घर में जो है उसका ही बता
हाँ एक्चुअली सेम ही था उतना ही बड़ा था मेरे घर में भी तो मैंने वही बता दिया मैंने ये भी बोल दिया कि एंड्रॉइड टीवी मेरे घर में भी एंड्रॉइड टीवी था तो उसके जितने भी फीचर्स है मैंने वो सारे बोल दिए और मेरे मन में आते गए मैं सोचना नहीं पड़ा ज़्यादा और फिर जैसे मैंने बोला कि एंड्रॉइड टीवी है और इसमें नेटफ्लिक्स है और अमेजन की आपको अलग से सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं लेनी पड़ेगी इसमें ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है
प्लेटफॉर्म सब है
हाँ, ये सारा चीज बोला मैंने, और बोला कि यूट्यूब भी है, और जैसे कि अगर आप यूट्यूब अपने फोन में देखते हो तो उसमें स्क्रीन छोटी होती है और आपका स्क्रीन टाइम बढ़ता है और आपके आईज पे भी इफेक्ट करता है। पर ये एलसीडी बहुत बड़ा है, आप पीछे बैठ के आराम से रिलैक्स होकर देख सकते हो, इससे आपके कोई आईज साइट में भी कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। तो इतना ही ऐसे और 2-3 पॉइंट बोले थे, फिर उन्होंने मुझे खुद ही रोक दिया। 1
Super,
मिनट के करीब बोला होगा मैंने।
super, very good.
आपको एडवांटेज हो गया, आपका घर में वो टीवी था, एंड्रॉइड हो
हाँ,
एडवांटेज हो गया।
एडवांटेज हो गया, ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं पड़ा।
Yeah, exactly. Very
And
good.
one more question. What was the general awareness and general knowledge questions asked to you?
Yeah,
regarding
so the first question they asked me was, what do you mean by retail banking?
Okay.
And second,
No,
asked
it
me
is not
about
general awareness. Okay, it comes under what I want to ask is, did they ask on current things like what is
No current
card
things,
variant,
no current
card
things.
variant, no current.
No current.
No.
Only static based.
What did they ask about Omicron? This new virus?
No, sir.
Omicron is
No,
entered
sir.
in India.
No current based question.
Omicron is the topic of the day everywhere, and
Yes.
Yes, sir. But I think that students who have interviewed in future, they must know about it.
Good. Doesn't matter. Good.
Yes. Sir.
Yeah, then anybody else would like to ask some questions? Hello, boys, girls, any questions?
No, sir.
No questions. Very good. Then I will start discussing. So, Karan, you were lucky that I think the interview has gone nicely to your favor, and
Yes,
this job is very suitable for you. You are from Delhi. Mostly you will be retained in Delhi, and you have ample opportunities for canvassing insurance policies, loan accounts, then deposit accounts, then mutual funds. So many opportunities are there in our Delhi. So आपको सुविधा हो जाएगा. Best wishes.
हाँ जी.
Thank you. You have done a good job. Thank you so much. Here,
thank you.
Good evening, candidates. Here, some of the candidates have been asked questions about your college. Tell us about your college. Tell us about this program, that is federal internship program. What do you know about it? Now, supposing I ask this question to Monica. Monica, can you please tell me what are the answers you will tell me about your college and also about your this program? Bataiye. Monica. Monica is not there now. Monica has gone out. Monica is gone. Sambasiva, can you speak out the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell about your college briefly. You can tell the name of college, nothing secret. Then you can tell about this federal internship program. Please tell.
Sir, according to my college name is Einstein PG College. It is located in Hyderabad. I'm from Telangana. And in my college, there are also a lot of programs, MBA and BEd, MCOM, and other sections also. There are a lot of PCS space, and it will be very good learning culture. And there are also motivate about sports and other cultural activities also.
Good. That much will do. Not more about college. Now go into FIP.
According to Federal Bank is newly sorry sir, 1 minute. According to Federal Bank invites a new program, introduced a new program called Federal Internship Program. From this program, they are taking talented people to learn banking sector. According to this program, we can learn banking sector, and also they are paying. It is a 17 days online offline classes and 872 days virtual programs. they are paying for these 2 years for stipend. In these 2 years, if they are not satisfied with the candidates, cannot achieve any given targets, they also terminate.
Good. Not only that, the people who will be confirmed for this program will be those people who score
2 grades.
First 2 grades.
Actually, I would like to add one correction.
Yeah.
As it is of 17 days offline and 879 online hours, not days. Samashiva, correct it as 17 days offline program. Apart from that, the remaining are in virtual classes in 879 hours, not in days.
Not days. 879 hours.
I would like to correct that one.
Yeah, that's right. And the gradation is made after 879 hours or before 879 hours.
During this one only, sir. During this one only, actually, those who are selected for interns, every intern has, on one hand, they have to go for bank operation, and on the other hand, they have to do for sales and etc. Operation is common for everyone. Apart from here, the performance in sales come for the grading only.
Yeah.
How you are doing?
For every 3 months, they keep reports.
Yeah. For every 3 months, they make a report.
Oh, very good, very good. And at the end of the nearly 2 years, they will make an evaluation. Correct?
At the end of 2 years only, they will evaluate.
Oh, not immediately after this 17 days training.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No.
That is what I was thinking. Acha. Very good. Excellent. You answered that nicely. Samba Siva. Now let me ask Mr. Lucky.
Sir, I will be in 5 minutes back, sir. Little bit busy.
Okay.
I'll explain everything in 5 minutes only.
Okay. No problem. Samba Siva, did you ever lead any team in college?
Actually, no, sir.
You should not tell like that, na. So for a question like this, or immediately thereafter, you should tell. Actually, I did not have any opportunity to lead. However, I possess leadership styles in me. I know the qualities that are required for becoming a leader. I will take up responsibility and lead the group members for achieving the target. Like that, you should speak something in your favor.
Okay, sir.
Can you try that now? So, Samba Siva, have you been a leader earlier in your college?
Actually, I did not get any chance to be a team lead because there were more seniors were leading in my college. Because of that, we did not for the juniors or we did not get the chance. And I have a ability to do teamwork, and I have because I have punctuality and hardworking nature. I can communicate each other. I can motivate to every candidate also.
Super, good. Now, Android Blue Droid, can you speak? What is your name? Android Blue Droid, what is your name? Android? Nishant, can you speak? Nishant, can you speak? GR Subramaniam, can you speak now? GR Subramaniam. Yes, GR Subramaniam. Yes, GR Subramaniam, you are from Chennai, correct?
Madurai, sir.
Madurai, you told me Madurai. You are an engineering graduate?
No, sir, I'm a commerce graduate, sir.
Acha, commerce graduate. Very good, very good. Now, you have been watching this questions, what are they asking, etc. Now, tell me, what is retail banking?
Retail banking, banking to customers and individuals is called as retail banking.
The definition, how the real definition comes like this. Retail, of course, I was doing retail banking in the branch, but explaining it, how it comes. Retail banking. What do you mean by retail banking? Retail banking is also known as consumer banking or personal banking. Is banking that provides financial services to individual consumers rather than businesses. Services offered by retail banks include check account, savings account, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards, certificate of deposits, locker facility, then insurance facilities, etc. Can you please repeat, Subramaniam, now?
Yes, sir. Retail banking is the banking services. Retail banking, also called as personal banking and consumer banking, is the services done to individual customers. Examples of retail banking include locker facilities, the certificate of deposits, check account, SB account, etc.
But don't tell about certificate of deposits because they may ask you to explain what is certificate of deposit. Problem ho jayega. Don't tell that. Tell savings account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, current account, then mortgages, then debit card, credit card, then phone banking services, insurance products, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Let me ask somebody else to speak to me about Nishant. Can you tell what is retail banking? Nishant, are you there? Nishant, you are not there. Then Ragul, can you speak now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is retail banking?
Sir, retail banking is a mechanism in which bankers should handle in a certificate, current account, savings account, fixed deposits, FDs, and this thing, and insurance schemes and other loans related, and we need to approach to the customers. It's also known as customer banking.
Good. Excellent. Very good. Srinivas, you told correctly. Very happy. Sambasiva, can you tell me what is retail banking?
Retail banking is also known as personal banking. In this banking, it provides financial services to the individual or any sector. In this, it mostly includes savings bank accounts, personal loans, credit cards, etc.
Very good. Credit cards, debit cards, mortgages, like that. Okay, good. Yes, you told nicely. Very happy. Now, they have asked, what is mortgage? Can anyone, as a commerce boy, tell me what is mortgage? GR Subramaniam, mortgage. What is mortgage? Subramaniam, mortgage. Mortgage, nobody answers.
Sir, can I?
Please tell.
Sir, mortgage means any person lends money from the bank or any other sector. If we cannot repay in any terms or more than 6 months, the bank has authority to take the property.
Wrong. Sambashiva, mortgage means what? Mortgage is a process of creating charge over immovable properties at the time of taking loan.
Okay.
So, ఎప్పుడు మీరు లోన్ చేసిన సమయంలో అక్కడ బ్యాంక్ వెళ్ళి మీ ప్రాపర్టీకి మార్గేజ్ ఇచ్చి మీరు లోన్ తీసుకుంటారు. You are taking loan after giving that property as security. That offering as security the immovable property is known as mortgage.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. It's good that you took up. Then they asked, what is the difference between mortgage and loan? Mortgage is a process by which you are offering a charge over immovable property to the bank. Loan is a facility given by the bank to the customer for, say, giving some money to him so that he can use that money to his advantage. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, other than that, they are asking very same questions only, selling, etc., etc. So it will not be and sometimes they have asked why there is a gap of 2 years. Then they are asking, are you ready to take up sales? Now, for this question, how will you answer, Ragul Srinivas? Are you willing to take up sales?
Yes, sir, sure. Because although I may be a fresher, I also have an experience in sales, performing sales. Because I also helped and aided in my mother's business. She's a nutritionist and fitness enthusiast. So, in her online session, I have aided her. So
that will do. That will do. That will do. Don't talk more. Briefly.
Okay.
That will do. Subramania, can you tell? Will you take up sales?
Sorry to interrupt. So you asked about mortgage, sir. Will they also ask about the pledge and hypothecation also?
Yeah. Pledge hypothecation also they will ask. Pledge is where the property is in the hands of bank. That is movable properties. That I have already discussed many times. Yeah. Subramania, now tell me, are you willing to take up sales? Subramania?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take up sales? Tell me how it is suitable for you. Hello.
Sir, I have no idea of answering this question, sir. So I will definitely say yes. I'm willing to take up sales, even though I'm a fresher. I have marketing as one of my major subjects in commerce, which will in turn help me to plan accordingly and do the sales effectively.
No, you can tell them, I like marketing, I like talking to people, I like influencing people, I like to try on experiencing whether I'm able to influence people. Like the same thing you have to tell in different ways, and tell them you are very keen, interested in what is that? In marketing. Do you know two-wheeler driving?
Yes, sir.
Do you know four-wheeler driving?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good, very good. What is your father?
My father was a branch manager in Dhanlakshmi Bank.
Oh, acha. You told us. Correct. Very good, very good. So, sales is a suitable job for you. Will your mother agree for your taking sales job? Because it will involve you are going out of the place where you are residing, and you may have to stay outside office hours also for canvassing. Is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because in our group also some people have asked, is the work only to be done during office hours, or do we have to stay?
Yes, only me asked. I only asked in the group.
Who? Ragul. The answer is you may have to stay outside office hours also if there is a need. If there is need, you have to.
I have a small question.
Yeah.
Sir, I've known many of my friends taking up that Future Bankers program of the HDFC. So is this federal internship program and the Future Banker program one are the same? So after completing 6 months of practical training, 6 months of classroom training in Manipal, the candidate should be posted in a role called a Deputy Manager Scale 2, which will...
No. This is entirely different from that. This program is 100% different from that program. In that program, they collected from you 4 lakhs rupees. In this program, they are collecting only 1 lakh from you. In this program, they are sending you out of Manipal after 17 days. In that program, you'll be sent out after 6 months. Don't compare these two. No. This has got no relationship with that. But apart from that, what extra points you would like to add? Subramania.
Yes, sir. My question was, will the job roles of the two be same? So that is also a sales
No.
oriented job.
No. Job role will be different. See, you are recruited as internship probationary officer, whereas there is one more post known as probationary officer, where they conducted campus recruitment interview, selected those people. They were given training for 2 weeks. They were posted in branches to do both banking and marketing jobs. For them, the salary also is higher, 58,000 rupees or so. There is one more category known as clerks, those who are doing clerical job. After campus recruitment, they are selected and they are posted within the same state, and they do only clerical jobs at the branch. Sometimes they may be asked to go for canvassing also, but for their performance will not be evaluated based on targets. Do you understand, Subramanya?
Yes, sir.
Very clear, I have told you. There are 3 roles. Yeah, 1 minute. Somebody is calling. Hello. So 1 minute. So we may come again on Zoom if it goes out within 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Tell me. Hello. Pardon. Good evening. Acha, Shubhangi Patnaik. Yes, please. Acha, your interview was over?